Namaste. I'm Exaggeration. This is the Golden Circle Movement Channel. Can you handle losing everything? Have you lost everything? Are you feeling like this is the end of the world because you've lost everything? Well, let's talk about that. First of all, this is the Golden Circle Movement Channel. Go ahead and subscribe. Ring the all notification bell so you know when new videos are uploaded. This is a Lightworker tutorial channel, so we talk about things that Lightworkers go through, and an esoteric science channel. Today we're discussing how to handle losing everything. Well, everything is an exaggeration because, we have a lot, even when we feel like we've lost everything. For instance, you're alive. You are aware of where you are in time and space, what is happening. You have a possibility, the potential to rise above your current situation. Now, everything is attachment. Everything is attachment. And when you lose those attachments, it can feel like the death of an individual, the loss of a family member. And so there is a mourning period, no doubt. But 100%, you are not those things that you have lost. Even if it is a person who has passed away, you have not lost everything. In the first place, your existence is an agreement. Your reality is an agreement. So how you see it, how you choose to view it as a loss or the space for potential gain, well, then you consider changing your perspective, your thought process of what you have lost. For instance, when I moved from New York to Los Angeles, I lost all of the pictures of my mother, my family, all of my important documents, family heirlooms, all of these things. They're lost. They're gone. The ashes of my grandmother, gone. But I survive. I continue. I am still growing. And I'm not attached to those things I have lost. Because I don't constantly, oh man, I remember, oh man, I thought that I had that, but it was back in that stuff I lost. Oh man, yeah. Well, that's not a reality that you want to live in. You want to live in a forward moving reality, a reality where you're constantly encountering new experiences. This means that you will need to shed some weight. You will need to allow things to pass from your life without looking back, and remembering and feeling sad about it. Release these things that you feel you have lost. And when you release them, you will find you will regain even more than what you lost. Has this been the case for you? Have you lost everything? Have you accepted that loss and then recovered? I'd like you to type overcome. I've overcome loss. Type overcome. I've overcome loss in the comments if you have overcome a devastating loss. If you'd like to learn, to practice, to polish yourself, to overcome loss, type I can overcome loss in the comments below. Make sure you subscribe to the Golden Circle Movement channel. Ring the all notification bell so you know when new videos are uploaded. Make sure you like and share the video. Right now, go ahead and give this video a like. Let's see if we can get up to 50 likes on this video. And share the video in your social media. You can help others. You can help someone you might not even know. If you want to reach me on Instagram, LinkedIn, or Twitter, you can get me at exaggeration, and the links are in the description below. If you'd like to leave a donation, you can do so on Cash App or PayPal. Those links are in the comments below. Thank you so much for your participation. Namaste.